Man, what a beautiful day it is. Wow, I gotta find me something to do. I wonder if Mr. Rick's checked on the hood of that truck lately. I believe I'm gonna go try to do that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yep. I sure do like that old truck. I know he does too. He's up there asleep, so I'm gonna check it while maybe he won't find out. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, that don't look good. I wonder if look here, here's some. Give me some 409 on that thing. Let that suck in there a little bit. I don't know if that'll help it or not. I hope it does. It might. Let's see. Ooh. He don't look up under here as much as he ought to, I don't reckon. Well. Yeah. Let's see if we can't clean it a little bit more there. Yeah. Sure is a pretty motor, ain't it? Yeah. So we move it. Yeah, I have to wait a little bit. We can get up in there. Yeah. There you go. Oh, Mr. Rick, he's had this truck a long time. Probably 40-something years more. It's an old truck, 52. Yeah. Man, yeah, ain't that pretty. Let's check the oil in it, you want to? I don't even know where it's at. I believe it's over here on this side, ain't it? Yeah, there it is, right there. Yeah, right there. I know he ain't checked it in a long time. Look, it's right on the button. All right. Where's that thing at? There it is, right there. Uh-huh. There we go. All right then. He got him a new battery up in there. Yeah. That's supposed to be down there like that. Yeah, He told me he got his horn fixed. Yeah, let's look at there. Oh Lord, I bet I woke him up. Well, it'll be alright. You're gonna have to get some of that surface rust off of that. Yeah, it's shining though, ain't it? Yeah.
Well, good morning, PeaRoy. What you doing?
Well, good morning, Mr. Rick. Yeah, I'm working on your truck just a little bit. I'm cleaning her up. I was just doing a little tinkering on it, you know. Yeah, sir, I'm just doing a little tinkering there just to get her cleaned up and all, you know.
Yeah, well, I don't tinker under here as much as I should, I don't guess. I sure appreciate you working on my truck, though. Well, I tell you what, PeaRoy, to show you how much I really appreciate you working for me and all, I know you like these glasses, and I'm gonna give them to you.
Oh, man. Thank you. You mean it?
Miss Janet, she don't care a whole lot for them, you know, and I got these, so.
She don't.
And I thought you'd like to have them.
Oh, man, I can see so much better with these. Thank you, Mr. Rick.
Oh, don't worry about that. I got plenty more.
Good night. It makes me look better. Yeah, I bet they do, and I know I can see a whole lot better. I sure appreciate this.
Well, you know, you're certainly welcome. Look here, I'm gonna do a Slurpee real quick, and then I gotta get out of here, all right? You wanna do it with me?
Why, sure, Will.
I'll catch you later, buddy.
Well, I guess this helps. It turned out to be a pretty good day for old PeaRoy.